Hi viewers, welcome to penhouse.in. In this video, we are going to see a short review on Parker Odyssey Precious blue color and gold trimmed retractable ball pen. And here it is a complete gift set, and which has a ball pen and a wallet inside this box. And here in the wallet, the brand's name Parker was stamped here, and this is completely made of leather. And this has a very good space and a strong one. And this is completely a blue color body with a golden trim set, where there is a golden clip and a golden clip portion and golden grip portion also. And the brand's name Parker was engraved on the ring portion here. And this is a very good smooth clicking one. And if you want to view the refill, you can unscrew this part. And this is a jotter refill with 1 mm tip, and you can easily swap this refill with any other jotter refills. These jotter refills are easily available one. You can check in our site web penhouse.in also. And here some writing success pen. Wow, it is writing so smooth. The sliding on the paper. And the writing was so good. And these pens comes with a decent box like this. This box has a magnet here, which is looking so good. And yeah, if you have any query about this pen, you can ask in the comment section, or else you can make a call to our mobile number. Thanks for watching this video. Thank you.